Southeastern service to Dover Priory. For the 1827 Southeastern service to Margate via Canterbury West. For Canterbury West, Thanet Parkway, Ramsgate, Broadstairs and Margate. This train has
The 2307 St Pancras to Ramsgate service will be diverted via Canterbury West. For more information, Southeastern
Platform 6 for the 1835 Southeastern service to Ramsgate via Canterbury West. Forward Y, Gilham, Charlton, Canterbury West, Surrey, Minster, Thanet Parkway and Ramsgate. This train has 8 coaches. Due to short platforms, passengers for Y, Gilham, Charlton and Surrey should board the front 4 coaches. There are usually many seats available on this train. Sorry, some toilets on this